Chris Woakes, England's wizard, the ultimate team man and now an international retiree. He was not the flashiest cricketer, he was not the fastest bowler, but he became one of the most loved England players of this generation. Today we look back at his incredible journey, his highs, his struggles, and why his story is so special. Woakes retires as a double World Cup winner, playing a key role in England's 2019 ODI World Cup and again in the 2022 T20 World Cup. In Test, he featured in 62 matches, scoring handy runs with the bat, average over 25, and taking 149 wickets at under 30 average. At home, his record is even better in 39 Tests in England. He claimed 148 wickets at just 23.87 average. That's better than even James Anderson and Stuart Broad over the same period, a staggering achievement. But Woakes' greatness was not just in the numbers. Fans and teammates adored him because he was relatable. He was not blessed with Mark Wood's raw pace, Broad's towering height, or Stokes' athleticism. Instead, Woakes built his career through hard work, resilience, and determination. He battled injuries, fought for his place in teams dominated by Anderson, Broad, and Stokes, and struggled on overseas tours. His away bowling average was almost 49, a sharp contrast to his brilliance at home, and yet he never gave up. And then came that comeback, the 2023 Ashes. After 18 months out of Test cricket, many thought his England career was over. But at 2-0 down, England recalled Woakes. At Headingley, he took 6 wickets and scored a crucial unbeaten 32 to guide England home. At Old Trafford, he picked a brilliant 5-4, and at the Oval, he finished with 7 wickets, earning player of the match as England drew the series 2-2. In just 3 matches, he reminded the world why he was so important. 19 wickets at an average of just 18, it was redemption, resilience, and pure Woakes magic. Chris Woakes' final act came with a dislocated shoulder, walking out to bat against India in 2025. That selfless spirit summed him up, always putting the team first. His teammates called him one of the nicest men in cricket, and England's managing director Rod described him as a man who made every team better, even before walking onto the field. So as Chris Woakes bows out of international cricket, he lives as a World Cup winner, an Ashes hero, and above all, the ultimate team man. What's your favorite Chris Woakes moment? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cricket stories.